Tayo ng bihon guys. Ayan guys, chicken for bihon. Lagyan natin carrots tsaka sayuti guys. Ayan na guys. Hello guys, tingnan niyo yung aking bihon. Ayan, bihon. Ayan guys. Ano ka, right tayo. Ang ating behon, talo-talo behon. Yan. Talo-talo behon. Yes. Yes, yes, you. So, yan na guys, ang aking talo-talo bihon. Bihon yan guys. Yan ang aking bihon. So, natin na maluto guys. Okay, thanks for watching and watch for more. Bye-bye. And God bless us all.